to see the layers of the retina. We have the first, let's say, is the pigmented epithelium of the retina. Then, so we're going from outer to inner. Then we have the layer of the photoreceptors, so the cones and rod. 3. This is the outer external membrane. And here we have the outer limitation of the Muller cells. We have videos on this on future videos. Here we are using the layers of the retina. 4. If this was the outer external membrane, this is the outer or outer nuclear or external nuclear. So here the nucleus of the cones and rods of the photoreceptors. In the 5th layer, here we have the outer or external plexiform, and here the interactions or the synapses between the photoreceptors and bipolar cells, and also some extensions to amacrine cells, horizontal cells, etc. 6th layer is the, now we have the nuclear external, so here is the inner nuclear, and here are the nucleus of the bipolar cells, amacrine cells, and horizontal cells. 7th layer is the inner plexiform, and so is the interaction or the synapses between the bipolar cells and ganglionic cells, but also the interaction with the paracrine and horizontal cells. 8th layer is the ganglionar cell layer, that is the nucleus of the ganglionic cells. 9th, the optic nerve fibers layer, that is the extension of the bipolar cells axons, so is the optic nerve. And the 10th is the inner membrane, inner limiting membrane. Here we have the outer limiting membrane, here we have the inner limiting membrane. So in a sense you could see it as outer and inner plexiform, external and internal nuclear, then external and internal, the limiting internal and external limiting, just as here we have two others that are the ganglionic and the peripheral nerve fibers, optic nerve fibers, and here we have the photoreceptor layer. So we have the pigmented epithelium of the retina, then the photoreceptors, then the outer limiting membrane, limiting of the Muller cells, the external nuclear, external plexiform, inner nuclear, inner plexiform, ganglionic cell layer, then the optic nerve fiber layers, and lastly the inner limiting membrane.